Hello there, this is Nina Yang with Waffle Flower. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use matching dies for your stamps. Here's also a sneak peek to our new stamp and die combo packaging. We call it Cloud Storage Pocket. It is a resealable double pocket clear bag that measures approximately 5 3/4 and 8 1/2. The matching dies for your stamps come in a set. The individual pieces are connected by thin metal tabs. You can break them apart by bending the dies back and forth, but I would like to recommend a wire cutter for this job. The reason is that a wire cutter can trim off the tabs right to the edge. There will be no little metal pieces sticking out. Here's one tip for you. When you get to trim off a little tab, it tends to fly everywhere, but you can cup your fingers around like what I'm doing here to hold it in place. The wire cutter I'm using also seems to have a magnet and the tips that helps keeping the little pieces from flying everywhere. I got it from Amazon for a few bucks, and I'll list the link in the video description below. Okay, so here's the cutting side of your die. The blades are close to the edge of the opening, leaving you some wiggle room for cutting your images out. You can put your die over your stamped image with the cutting side down. Once it's in place, I like to use a couple pieces of low-tack tape to help me hold the die in place when running it through my die cut machine. I'm using the back of my hand to reduce the tackiness so that the tape will not tear my paper. Also, I'm taping on the outside of my image so that even if the tape tears the paper, it will not damage my stamped image. Our dies work with all leading desktop roller die cut machines. Please refer to your die cut machine manual for the die cut settings. I'm using the magnetic platform with 2 cutting plates on my Sizzix Big Shot machine. If you want to color your stamped image, I would recommend coloring before die cutting so that you can have a bigger piece to hold on to. I like using my scissors, but a matching die makes it so much easier on my hands, saves me time, and gives me a nice beveled cutting edge. When you have all the right tools, it's time to be creative. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you again soon.